Huawei Nepal, now celebrating 25 years of innovation and growth, has always revolutionized Nepal's digital landscape. The glorious history of Huawei Nepal is testament to this. Huawei entered the Nepalese market in 1999 from first GSM project, transforming communication. Introduced 3G in 2012, enhancing speed, messaging, and video calls. Restored over 390 base stations within 72 hours after the 2015 earthquake, making possible faster rescue and relief operations. Set up the world's highest 3G base station at Mount Everest in 2016. The advancements in Nepal's telecommunication field continued with the introduction of 4G LTE services in 2017, and its expansion followed. Installed first uptime Tier 3 data center in Nepal for Ncell in 2019, followed by data centers for Nepal Electricity Authority, Dish Home, and others, contributing to a more robust, secure, and scalable digital infrastructure. Expanded into ISP services in 2020, enhancing broadband across Nepal. Introduced advanced ICT solutions in energy, supporting Digital Nepal framework. We were recognized for tax compliance by Large Taxpayers Office in 2022. Huawei consistently played a key role in enabling the ICT industry ecosystem in Nepal and supported Digital Nepal Framework. Mobile Nepal Congress showcased 5G. Our ICT Academy created environment to developing 10,000 digital talents. Seeds for the Future trained hundreds of students to support Nepal secure a future as a digitally advanced and innovative nation. ICT Awards honored digital innovation and celebrated excellence in Nepal's digital innovation, education, and governance. Our recruitment program provided opportunities for fresh graduates. Beyond infrastructure, Huawei has consistently been at the forefront of humanitarian efforts in Nepal. Huawei provided critical support during the 2015 earthquake, COVID-19, 2023 Jajarkot earthquake, and more. Huawei is committed to providing a smart, inspiring, and healthy work environment. To support this, we've relocated to our state-of-the-art facility, Huawei Tower in Nepal, to foster productivity and contributing to Nepal's ICT development. With all of this, Huawei is just getting started. Looking ahead, Huawei is just beginning to realize our global vision of creating an intelligent world by 2030. The Huawei Nepal team will make every effort to include Nepal in this global achievement. Together, let us build a fully connected, intelligent Nepal.